We don't know that.
Yes, we do!
We all love Robot Boy. But with this virus, he's not really Robot Boy anymore. Just a ruthless engine of destruction. We have no choice. I'm emailing you the Control-Delete software.
Control-Delete? But that'll destroy him.
I'm sorry, Tommy. It has to be done.
Control-Delete. Download completed.
My plan is working!
But boss, why do you want to destroy Robot Boy? I thought you wanted to make him work for us.
He will work for us from beyond the grave! Once he's terminated, I take him apart and learn the secret of super activation and create an army of evilish robot boys!
Oh, boss, you're a genius.
Tell me something I don't know.
You'll always be the best friend I've ever had, Robot Boy. Forgive me, Ro.
Robot Boy.
Robot Boy!
Hello, Mr. Tumble. Looking for the public dump? Don't bother. I'll be happy to claim the body in the name of science.
I should have known you were behind all of this, Dr. Kamikaze.
Aunt Constantine, I'm sorry for your loss.
Now that Robot Boy is dead, you'll no longer be needing my implant.
Your implant?
You see, there was nothing wrong with him at all.
So now he's cured.
Yes. Too bad it's too late.
Oh, but it's not too late. I never used this.
What?
I couldn't destroy Robot Boy. I just pretended to use it. Game over, Kamikaze. Let's get to work, Robot Boy.
Hyperbots! Harm them!
Robot Boy! I'm so glad you're back!
Yes? Ah, Tommy. Life without Robot Boy, it's so sad, isn't it?
Robot Boy's alive! He's okay! It wasn't the virus that was making him act so crazy. It was Kamikaze!
Thank goodness! Let me speak to him.
Not right now.
I guess there's one small thing he just needs to take care of.
Omega,